More breaking news updates coming in, and Farmers Union have written to President essentially with three demands with regard to the Lakhimpur Kheri clash. They have in fact demanded that the Junior Minister for Home Affairs Ajay Mishra should be dismissed, that his son should be booked for murder because they are holding the minister's son responsible for leading the attack against farmers in Lakhimpur Kheri yesterday, and also the Samyukt Kisan Morcha, which is written to the president, is also saying that there should be a judicial probe, a Supreme Court monitored SIT probe on this. Let me go across to my colleague Alok for more. Alok, we've seen that the Samyukt Kisan Morcha has of course been holding Ajay Mishra and his son primarily responsible for the attack which took place on the farmers yesterday, and here again they have written to the president essentially saying there should be action taken against the mantri and his son, that the MOS home Ajay Mishra should in fact be dismissed from his post and that his son in fact should be booked for murder. Any details, by the way, that we have of the FIR which has been filed related to this case? We know that there are FIRs which have been registered, but do we know who all have been booked as accused?
Well, Tonima, two things. That one, the farmers are saying that they don't have any trust on the government, and this is why the reason that they have now written to the President of India. In fact, they have written to the President and demanding four things specifically. One is the dismissal of the Minister MOS Home, Ajay Mishra. His son should be arrested under the section of 302. And the third is that judicial probe means that SIT should be constituted and that SIT should be supervised by the Supreme Court of India. And fourth is Haryana Chief Minister ML Khattar should be also removed because of his controversial statement which he made yesterday, due to which this incident has happened. So these are the four demands which the farmers have put in front of the President of India, Ramnath Kovind. As far as the investigation is concerned, police is saying that they have now constituted a team, and STF, Special Task Force of the Uttar Pradesh Police, they are investigating the case. They are corroborating the sequence of incident because yesterday the way the things erupted, that the convoy was supposed to go from that place, and immediately the vehicle sped up the speed, they raised the speed, and due to which these farmers who were standing at the roadside, they came under the wheels of the vehicles, in which 4 farmers died. The farmers are also saying that shooting also happened, and the convoy was off the minister's son. This is what the police and this is what the farmers are saying. So police has said that they have registered the case from both the sides, basically because 4 more persons who are died who are BJP workers. So from both the sides, the complaints have been given to the police. Police has registered 2 FIRs into this case, and what we can say is a cross FIR. But we have to wait that who all are named in the FIR, because there are several names are written, but whether they are named as an accused or not, that yet to be ascertained. The section 144 is imposed in that particular district, and internet has also been snapped. So lot of information which are supposed to be shared, that is not being shared. So right now police is investigating the case. But
Right, Alok, will of course be tracking all the investigation and the probe update details with you. Thank you so much for joining us with that.